Hi, this is Katora with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how you can change or update your password. So here we're in the settings section, and we want to scroll down to change password. Now you're going to need to know your current password to create a new one. So I'm going to enter in my current password. Now that I've put in my current password, I need to create a new one. So I'm going to type in a new password. Now that I've entered my current password and the new password I want, I'm going to press save. And I see that my password has been updated successfully. So the next time I want to log in, I'll need to use the new password that I just entered. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.